Hello to Nicole's 23 subscribers. You may recognize my voice as the person behind the camera. I'm Brigette. You may recall on my first video, I did a wedding guest challenge. It didn't go as anticipated exactly. We got the blazer and the pants and the booty and the shirt that I had requested, but not the one that I had envisioned. So I had a little checkout chat with Wes. I was a little more specific in what I wanted in terms of a full sleeved blazer. I also stated that I'd really like for them to try on the dress again. Really hoping Wes gets it this time.
Your last box, you sent everything back. So if this second box that we're calling the redemption box is the same, if it's a 0 for 5, are you gonna keep Wes?
I'm gonna think about that. I don't know.
Let's see how Wes did.
Yes.
All right, we're all rooting for Wes as Brigette opens her 6th fix. You asked for a booty, correct?
I asked for a Western booty. I think I'm feeling a block heel.
Well, part of Stitch Fix is pushing you out of your comfort zone, so
I think they're tan.
let's restrain our judgment until we look at them and try them on.
All right. Great. I think Wes is fired. Oh, these are unfortunate. Okay.
All right, so we've got what looks like a tan suede booty.
So there's a quick peek. Are we seeing anything that I might like? Oh no. Item 1 is a bright ass green blazer with a satiny polka dot lining. It is full sleeve.
Yep. And what do we have for item 2?
Oh, it's even worse. It's a cold shoulder dress.
Not a cold shoulder, even I don't like cold shoulders.
Oh, I hate all of this and I'm gonna cry. I'm 43, not 14. Wait, I think I'm 44. I'm angry is what I am. Hideous.
Rough times. And the last item?
These are not wedding appropriate either.
Well, you did ask for a light wash jean.
I did, with no distressing. And there's a bunch of distressing everywhere.
Well, let's try stuff on and see how we feel. Maybe it won't work for the wedding, but maybe you'll like something.
I'm back, and I am wearing 4 of the 5 items that I asked for in the Redemption Wedding Guest Box Challenge. I feel like the blazer fits. I do have the sleeves cuffed just because I wanted you to see the cute polka dot detail. It's stretchy, so if I sat down, I didn't have to unbutton it, but when I do unbutton it, again, it's got the cute polka dots. Does it go with the rest of this outfit? Absolutely not, unless I was drunk on St. Patrick's Day. So I'm taking the blazer off, and now you can see this shirt that Wes was so excited to pair it with.
That shirt is actually too short for you. If you were to lift your arms, that tulle is see-through.
Oh yeah, there
So
it is.
that shirt is definitely not a good
appropriate
fit.
for the wedding. Moving on, I asked for a pair of jeans that were a lighter wash, and apparently what Stitch Fix thinks lighter wash means is a dark wash with a lighter distressing. Also, I said I absolutely cannot wear anything other than a long inseam. This is actually a 29 inseam, which isn't even, isn't that petite? So let's move on to the booty. The color is actually a little bit richer than what I first thought it was when I got it out of the bag. I love the side zip on it. I love that none of this is rubbing in here. Not a black heel, but a very, very modest lift to it, which I need because I have a very serious back injury and can't wear heels. So that's 4 or 5 items. What was that other thing I asked for? A cool black dress that would match the booties. I'm gonna go put that on, and I bet I'm gonna have some cold shoulders. We're back. Dress, booty, go together. No, no, didn't hit that challenge either, Wes. This is a dress, not one that I or most people probably would ever wear.
Well, some people like cold shoulder shirts.
Not me. We're styling me. I'm paying $20 to be styled, to have my preferences acknowledged. What's going on here? Would you like some more chips and salsa at your table? I mean, what's going on? Wes, you're fired.
We're gonna get Bridget back in her old clothes and embark on our newest segment, Bag It or Untag It. I think I know where Bag It or Untag It's going, but maybe she'll surprise us.
First up,
this is the K&C Sadrina woven hem knit top in navy. It is a $38 top.
I didn't much care for the material. It didn't work. It looked like my shirt was just kind of shredded hanging out of the blazer. Those two were not meant to go together. So this one's gonna be a bag it.
Saw that one coming.
How much was the blazer?
That blazer was $88.
If this was in like a robin's egg blue or a darker teal, I would consider it. But it's Kelly green and I need it for the end of September. So the blazer and the shredded tunic are gonna go on together a little while longer. Next up are the jeans. They were in a size 36, 29. 29 is not long, so these are gonna go back in the bag. We got this.
That is just a total miss for me. Like, I am the positive one in this dynamic here, but that is just in the bag it goes.
I've got these booties, which Nicole and I agree are a nice transition into fall piece.
Mm-hmm.
They are $78. I have a $20 credit. That brings them down to
$58.
$58. I'm gonna take these. These are gonna be an untitled. That's where we're at. We've got Wes being fired, me buying these shoes, 4 ugly items going back.
I think it'll be interesting once you fire Wes to see if this next person does a good job, because then maybe it was just Wes.
Yeah. Well, for certain, Wes is fired.
I agree. We're done with him.
Sorry, Wes.
We happened upon the downfall of the cold
We had a
shoulder
little mishap.
when you think you're putting your arm through the sleeve.
Oh, look at that! Maybe I am putting it on wrong. There we go.